Welcome back, almost 6:30 on your Thursday morning. If you've been looking for a new career and looking for a way to help in this pandemic too, this morning's We're Hiring is for you, even if you've never worked in healthcare before.
Absolutely. This is a really big opportunity for people. CVS Health has more than 350 jobs open just for their pharmacies and clinics right now around Kansas City to help with our healthcare needs right now. And pending government vaccine authorization, many of these jobs could help administer COVID-19 vaccinations. Pharmacy technician Jordan Campbell loves working in the community where she grew up.
Generally, prescriptions come in like 30 or 90 count.
Where she says helping with at least a couple hundred prescriptions per day is just part of her job. And she makes that look quick and easy. I am not fast at this. Oh, one fell out. Why is it so hard for me to count 5 at a time? 29, 30. I put 34 in the bottle. We're going to leave this to the professionals, and that could be you.
Day to day, we help a lot of patients, which is my favorite part about the job.
They help keep the pharmacy running smoothly. And in 2020, the roles of their pharmacy technicians are expanding in the midst of the pandemic.
You want to go ahead and grab your testing kit.
Like point of care testing or the rapid testing, the swab and send testing we've done through our drive-through. They lead 98% of those tests that are completed in our stores, if not more.
CVS Health wants to hire 250 pharmacy technicians around Kansas City, both full-time, part-time, and temporary, with the potential to become permanent. Love helping people, but no experience? No problem. They will train you.
So somebody could come to us from, some of the industries that have been most affected by the pandemic, the hospitality industry, the service industry, come in. As long as you have great service skills, a great attitude, and a desire to learn, you can become a really great pharmacy technician.
The pharmacy techs and the pharmacists are an important part of not only our testing solution, our ongoing pharmaceutical care, but also they'll be an important part of the vaccine solution.
Some of these jobs would be in pharmacies. Some could mean going into long-term care facilities. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services approved qualified pharmacist technicians to give COVID-19 vaccinations under the supervision of a qualified pharmacist and other requirements, pending government authorization of a vaccine.
They may be mobilized and asked to be part of a pod or a depot that goes into these skilled nursing facilities and long-term care facilities. And what they'll be doing is they'll be providing support. The farm techs may or may not be providing the vaccinations immediately.
CVS Health is also hiring dozens of pharmacists, as well as licensed practical nurses, registered nurses, and nurse practitioners like Mary Brower.
I think providing reassurance and giving people clear-cut directions has been very, very important during the pandemic. We usually have our surrounding community, the houses around us, that we are kind of their first line stop when it comes to medical care. They come in and see us, they bring all of their kiddos.
I love when I have patients come in and they recognize us and they love seeing our faces here.
To be able to provide a solution that might be able to allow families to come back together, give access to their loved ones, that's the heart of what we're trying to do. And we're looking for anybody who wants to join us that can help be a part of that solution.
So I checked with the Board of Pharmacy in both Kansas and Missouri, and pharmacy technicians do need to register before starting a job. That could take as little as 2 weeks. Once you get a job offer, CVS says they have people who will actually help you apply for that license. It costs $67 in Kansas, for example.
So what about in their stores besides the pharmacy tech? Do they have more jobs open there, I'm sure?
Yes, on top of these hundreds of openings, on top of the distribution center we told you about last week, they have another 150 KC area retail jobs if you're looking for work. And the stores are still crucial to keeping everything up and running. We have a link to apply to all these jobs right now at kshb.com.
Wow.